So I'm trading one ticker using one system, a system that I built for a whole year. And we're gonna see how it plays out, and then we're gonna do market analysis to try to figure out where market is going and record it. So this way we can journal it and see how effective things are. So today is day 91. Made about $642 trading S&P Futures today. And the reason behind that was probably because to some of the other videos I talked about where I'm looking at this level 68.90s, 68.93 area. I'm expecting a huge bounce here. I'll show you exactly why as well before we dive into market analysis. So the reason why I thought this was going to be a huge area for bounce is because we have this big yellow line here, which is what we call MOB. And this is where we're expecting the market's going to hold. And why I think we could hold today was because it was a holiday. So there was not enough trading volume. We had already dropped 60 points or 60 plus points at market open, which means we're in that territory. We're very close to this MOB level. And then once we hit, we naturally bounce because this is a huge moving average and it's naturally going to bounce off it because in order for this moving average to break, we would need a lot of volume. And there's just simply not enough volume, man. Like, where are we going to get the volume from? Market isn't open on the other side of it, like SPX or SPY. Those aren't really open um, much to trading. It was mostly just EU and Asia that was open, so they don't have enough volume of money to really push through that. So that's why I was so confident there, and I took a pretty big play and went 10 contracts deep, and they worked out. Got 5-10 points out of it. Did it again, got 5-10 point out of it, and then did a third time here when they tried to break it, and then we pushed up much higher. So thankfully, it worked out really well. As far as going to the next few days, I think what's really driven this downturn is tariff talk and Greenland and things like that. This the whole U.S. and EU tariff thing, and potentially firing or indictment of Chairman Jay Powell as well, right? So all these things are going to play into effect and kind of drive the market down. We did also have some bearish momentum signals in the market that was telling us that we could go down as well. So that was the bearish market structure flip a few days before that, and then eventually we did get this huge flip. So you can see things are playing out based on the signals as well. And then from here, I think how we figure out the next move of direction in the market is whether this level gets broken or not. So if this level, the 68.90 area gets broken, then we will naturally go down further. If it doesn't break, we will bounce. So there's no clear direction where the market will go right now until how market opens tomorrow and how that volume plays out. But news does look bearish. The patterns here are showing pretty bearish patterns. We have this uptrend pattern here where we kind of tested the top and then we rejected it, and now we're just kind of breaking down. But you see that now we could potentially have a lower low here. If this breaks under 68.66, then we'll have a lower low. If we have a lower low, we can essentially push to the next level here. So I think it'll be interesting to see how the next few day plays out. But stay vigilant and be careful. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Let me know what you guys think could happen as well, or what other news you guys are looking at, and where you guys think the next moves could be. I'm always interested to hear what everybody's thoughts are. Thank you.